Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to recharge your AC system on 2013 Ford Expedition. When you turn your AC on and you notice that it doesn't blow cold, it's a very possible chance that your AC system might be low on Freon. Before you start recharging your AC, you wanna make sure that you're gonna fill it up with a proper AC Freon, and usually you can find stickers on the vehicle. It's usually under the hood or on the hood, and there is all specification of what kind of Freon your vehicle is using. In this case, this Ford Expedition, it's using R134A Freon. For this recharge we're gonna use simple AC kit, which contains of AC hose with the gauge, so you can see how much AC is currently in the system, and then you know how much you need to add. It's ideal if that needle is doesn't pass over the blue line, and it's ideal if it's in the middle or up to the max, where it says in this case would be 55 psi. And of course you also need a Freon can. First step to recharge is to locate a low port AC hose. So on that Ford Expedition, the low port is this one. So you just wanna remove the cap, and after that you will have to connect your quick connect to that fit. So once you have that quick connect of AC hose connected to the low port feeding, you will have to start the vehicle, turn AC on the full blast, and turn inside recirculation of the vehicle. Once the AC hose is connected, you will have to start your vehicle, then turn AC on, inside recirculation button, set it up to the full speed. Now you can check out your gauge, and you can see the Freon, how much Freon do you have in your system. And on this one I believe it's missing just a little bit, so we're gonna add a little bit of Freon, and again we're gonna make sure that this black needle doesn't pass the blue line. Make sure your can is upside down, and then you can screw the bottom of this to release AC Freon in the system. Once you're done with charging, you can turn the AC off and turn off the vehicle. Then you just can disconnect this hose, and you're all done. In some cases you might need 2 cans. In my case I just needed to add a little bit of Freon, so 1 can was more than enough. Thank you for watching this video. I hope so it was helpful and it will save you some time and money.